Hello and welcome back, bienvenidos. I am so happy to have you guys on a new video. So I am doing a get ready with me video for the look that I'm going to be wearing on Thanksgiving dinner. I'm going to start off with the skin, and I have this product from NARS Skin. It's the Light Reflecting Multi-Action Toner, and I feel like this is such a great product to begin our look. I do want lots of hydration on the skin. And you can already see the reflection of the light. I am loving this NARS Skin skincare line. So the next one is the Light Reflecting Firming Serum. I am in my late 30s, and so I definitely love skincare more than ever and appreciate products that do help firm the skin. Okay, you can see now the skin is so dewy and glowy. And after this, I am going to moisturize. So you can see I am adding so much moisture to the skin. And for that, I'm loving this product here from Neutrogena. It's the Hydra Boost Water Cream, but the consistency is actually different. It's a lot more creamier than the original formula, which is more watery, I would say. So if you have dry skin during the winter or any time of the year, highly recommend this. Affordable also. It's a drugstore product. I am actually going to begin with the eye makeup, all right? Because I feel like this is the most complicated part of the look. I got this palette over the weekend, and one, it does smell like chocolate. Two, I've been using Too Faced since the conception of my YouTube channel. And so I really love their palettes. And this one here, it has a lot of neutrals, but it also has this beautiful, gorgeous purple color called Sugar Rush underneath What the Fudge. And thought the name was so funny. But anyways, I want to do something with this purple. So we're going to have some fun. We're going to start off with Buttercream, which is this color here. And I am going to apply this all over the eyelid. Let's go into this color here, which is a little bit of a darker brown. This one is called Cake My Day. This is the first year that I'm also hosting Thanksgiving at my house, where my mom and dad are coming. I invited my whole family, but some of my sisters are, well, one of my sisters is working on Thanksgiving Day, and then my other sister is doing something with her suegra, and my little sister Wendy is going to be joining me. So it's going to be my mom, my dad, Wendy, and my hubby and I and my children. Yeah, this is the first time that I'm actually hosting it. Usually I either go to my mom's house or I go to my suegra's house, or like the past few years since 2020, we've been doing Thanksgiving at my house, and everybody just kind of does their own thing. And I honestly think that my parents didn't even do anything last year. I feel like the older that I'm getting, the more that I am coming to the awareness and the realization and the importance of like how time is ticking. And I just really value time with my parents more than anything, you know, because I don't know, I wake up every day and I'm always having this feeling that I just need to appreciate them even more and enjoy them and see them and be with them, as opposed to like my 20s, where of course I've always loved being with my family, but you know, when you're young, you feel like your parents are always going to be there. And the older that we get, our parents are also growing older, and we see our parents growing older. So for all of us in our 30s, you know, our parents are probably, I mean, they're different ages, you know, but usually like our parents are like in their 60s, maybe early 70s now. So now we're going to go into this color down here, which is called Brownie Points. So just a matte dark brown. So I already went online and I ordered, it's actually really fun hosting dinner because, well, one, I honestly do not enjoy the cooking of like hosting, because then I just get all tired, and then I'm like just so tired, you know. Cooking is like hard work. So I don't want to be all tired on Thanksgiving and just like cooking away my life in the kitchen. So we're all going to bring something different. I'm definitely making like, you know, the mac and cheese and the turkey, and I'm trying to find a place that has like pre-cooked turkey where you just throw it in the oven type of thing. But I think I am going to make the mac and cheese from scratch, and also the mashed potatoes, and I'm just going to buy the stuffing separately and cranberry and all that stuff. So now let's move on to the face makeup. That way I can do my eyeliner and everything, and then I'll finish up the bottom portion of the makeup. Okay, foundation, this is KVD, and this is Good Apple in the color Tan. My mom was asking me yesterday, as a matter of fact, about a foundation. And I told her about this one because it's full coverage, but it doesn't feel full coverage. Okay, so let's talk about our dream people that we would have over at the house. If you were hosting dinner, like, I need you guys to leave a comment down below and let me know, who would you love to come over to your house if you were hosting not just Thanksgiving dinner, but like any dinner at your house? Who would be your ideal guest? Give me 3 actually down below. I'm gonna start off with my list. So definitely the Lord Jesus Christ. I mean, that would be so wonderful. And even when you're cooking food, do you guys ever get into the spirit of like, you know, pretending that you are making food for Jesus or for God? Like whenever you're cooking, sometimes I like to feel like I'm actually preparing this food for the Lord, and I just feel like it allows me to add so much more love into what I'm doing, love and care and enjoyment into cooking. And honestly, if you really think about it, you are cooking for the Lord when you cook for your family and when you cook for yourself. So I would love to have the Lord over. I would also love to have Paramahansa Yogananda at my table at dinner. I think that would be so incredible to have him there. I would also love to have Selena Quintanilla. She is just the most iconic, inspirational woman that I've ever laid eyes on. I know I'm so dramatic. I love Selena so much, and I would love to have her over for dinner. I think that would be such a dream come true. So I'm gonna do a little bit of contouring. Even though I did use powder already, I actually went to Friends Beauty and I picked up this cream bronzer in Golden Tan from Anastasia, and the color just looked so chocolatey and so gorgeous that I feel like I had to try this color out. And it's a cream contour. This is the first time that I am using it. Wow. It like melts into your face. Let's do a little bit of blush. This one's from NARS. It's an Afterglow liquid blush and it's called Insatiable Burgundy. So let's try it out. Just dab it. Very nice, just for a little bit of color. I mean, this Afterglow blush, you don't even need any highlighter. It gives you such a gorgeous, healthy sheen. Now I'm doing the Smoky Eye Mascara from Bobbi Brown. From Friends Beauty, I also picked up probably the best eyelash glue that you're ever gonna come across. This one's by INV, and it's a lash glue liner. And not only is it such an easy way to apply lash glue, you don't have to wait for your lashes to get, or the glue to get tacky to put it on. And you just drag it across. They also have the lash glue in black, but I got it in clear. It's almost like magnetic lashes. You know how you just put on the liner and put on the lash? That is how fast this glue works. Before I get into that, I am gonna go into this Cali Contour palette from Smashbox because they have this color here called Highlight. And honestly, it's more of like a banana yellow powder. And I like this one for the under eye because it really makes it very bright. See? Look at that. So back into this palette, we're gonna go into Sugar Rush, which is this beautiful shimmery purple color. And I'm just gonna take a pencil brush and just pop it into the inner corner of my eye. Oh, pretty. It's very subtle. I thought it was gonna be a lot more intense. It's a very subtle pop of color. And I feel like this purple looks so pretty with browns. But I'm really happy and excited to have my family over for Thanksgiving. And I'm definitely looking for ways to not cook too much and only cook a few things that are definitely worthwhile cooking. But I do want to have a lot of energy and I want to enjoy my time and not just be cooking the whole time. And so I am looking for things that are already kind of like pre-cooked. And yeah, so just decorating the table, setting it up. I got the plates. They have these really nice disposable plates that I got them in, I think I got them in green and gold, like this dark, deep green gold. And I'm gonna set those up in the table and everything is just gonna look so gorgeous. Wow, the purple looks so pretty, guys. I'm so happy with this little pop of color. And you know what? I'm loving that I'm dragging it all the way up here because usually I just stick it right here in the inner tear duct. But bring it all the way up so you can really see the purple, you know? And the shimmer blends so nice into the other colors. Now I'm gonna do this lip liner from Too Faced. It's called Lip Injection Extreme Lip Shaper. It does tingle and this lip liner is supposed to make your lips look bigger. Now I have 3 colors here from Bobbi Brown. These are the new Matte Luxe lipsticks, and there's so many colors that I got. Ooh, Sunset Rose, very nice. So the dinner plate that I'm the most excited about this Thanksgiving is honestly none of them, because I'm not a big fan of Thanksgiving dinner like that. Like, it's not like something that I'm like, oh my gosh, I can't wait for Thanksgiving dinner, you know? To me, just gathering with my family and having a good time, and probably not even drinking. No, I don't even drink alcohol, but I was gonna say like a sangria, but now I don't even drink alcohol. So I don't know what I'm gonna do this end of the year, but nothing is getting me more excited than probably just seeing my family and hanging out with them and setting up the whole table decor and decorating for the first time a beautiful like table space for my family and making it super fancy for them. So yeah, I think just seeing my children so happy, especially the little one, the toddler is happy all the time and excited about all the holidays. So just seeing my children and just so happy makes me so excited about the holiday season and just gathering together. And I cannot wait till my mom and my dad and Wendy walk through the doors of my house, because that's probably one of my favorite parts also, is just when they get here and it's just a good time, you know? So that is the thing that I'm the most excited about. Food, like I said, I'm not the biggest fan of Thanksgiving dinner. Any of those plates are like, I don't know. It's maybe a salad. I don't know. I know it sounds super, super boring, but I'm probably going to make a salad of some sort because I'm obsessed with making salads. And there's so many different ways to make one that now at family dinners and family barbecues and carne asadas, like that is what they ask me to bring is salads, because I make the bomb salads, guys. So anyways, this is my take on the latte makeup trend with a little bit of a twist, because I did add the purple, but I feel like that's what makes it super fun, right? And not like the basic look. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Everything that I use is going to be linked down below. Have a blessed and beautiful holiday season, and I can't wait to see you in my next video.